Hello, my name is Gord Bond. I'm going to be showing you guys the app I built to keep track of golf scores for different courses around the United States. The original idea behind this app was to build an app for my retiree father who just set up a golf simulator in his garage so that he could keep track of his scores for himself and all his buddies at all the different courses that they've been playing. If I were to build this out a little bit more and add user accounts, as well as expanding the courses available to those outside the United States, the intended audience would be other golfers as simulators, as well as golfers who like to travel the globe and keep a record of their scores. Quickly before we get started with the demo, just show you how the responsive design keeps the app looking nice. If we go to inspect, we can look at this is the iPhone 6, look at iPhone X, same thing, stays nice. We can increase and decrease the size of the window, still maintains a good look. All right, so I'm just going to take you through a few of the various tasks you can do with this app. First thing, you want to search for a course. So Augusta National is the course that we play for the Masters. If we search that in the text box and click search, it brings up various courses in the area. We can click on the pin of Augusta National and then on title Augusta National in the info box. Here we see in the scores section, under Augusta National, we can either add a score or add a golfer. There's already a few there. If we add a golfer, we can add my wife, Lisa Bond, click add, or we could click cancel if we didn't want to. If we want to add a score, click on add score. You can find Lisa Bond down here. You can add a score. She's not a very good golfer, 110. Add a date, say it's the 11th, and you can again click cancel or click add. We'll click add. That gives us her score. Say we want to edit her score, say she actually scored it. We're wanting to be a little nice, so we take 10 off her score and change the date to the 4th. Click cancel, or we can click save. We'll click save in this case. Next, we can delete it. Say we didn't actually want to keep track of that score. We can click delete and her score will disappear. We can also go to all scores and view all the available scores from all the different courses. You can sort them by name by clicking on the name, or you can click on score to sort by the score, course, and date as well. There you have it. That's my app. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great day.